I remember one time when I was in school, I went on this trip with a couple other people, and we were going to get like some English degree. It was basically a certification that said, oh, you have this kind of level of English speaking, so to speak. I explained it in a very shitty way, but I think you get my point. And I was in this big, impressive building with tons of other people, and it kind of looked like a fancy university. And I had always known I'd never go to university because it didn't fit me or the life I wanted. It was never gonna make me rich. Like, even if I made 6 figures a year in Europe, which is actually pretty rare. Like, it's more common in the US and English speaking countries. In Europe, if you make 100K in 1 year, it's like top 1%. Like, that's it. Not to mention that you pay up to 45% of income tax, in some countries even more. So it's like you spend 6 months of your year not working for yourself or for your family, working for the government. Like, who wants to work for someone else? Seriously. And on one of the doors inside that building, I saw a quote which said something along the lines of, if your dream job doesn't exist, you have to create it. And when I saw that, I was like, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Because my dream job, where I can make as much money as I want, I can wake up when I want, do whatever I want all day, and not really have any kind of commitments to anyone else. Well, my dream job is simply making content selling digital products. And so I knew I was gonna do that. Now, I'll be perfectly honest with you. I had my first $997 day at 21, but then it's not like I made that every day back then. That would have been too easy, right? I made a couple other sales, but I made like $1,100 in a single year. So for 12 months of really hard work, grinding it out, it's not that great, you know? Like, it's below the poverty line, if we're honest. You'd make more money working at McDonald's. And so I reached this point where I was just sick and tired of working so hard to make so little money. And so I reached out to someone. I worked with a mentor. I invested in myself. It was really, really scary. But I learned so much. And not only that, within just a few months, I implemented the new ideas I got from my mentor. And I started making more every month than I made in the previous year alone. And then I started to make this kind of consistent income. And I remember when I woke up one day, and I had been making consistent sales for a couple months. So I was making a couple $1,000s every month. And for the first time in my life, I woke up and I felt some kind of sense of peace. Like, sure, I wasn't rich yet. Like, obviously, you're not rich with a couple $1,000s a month. It's, survival level, really. That's where most people stay their whole lives. But I felt such relief because I wouldn't have to wake up, go to a job I hated, because I started a business instead of going to university. Like, I took huge fucking risks. I told my parents, I'm not going to university, I am starting a business. And they let me do it. But after a year of like grinding and I only had made, less than $2,000, my parents were like, what are you doing? Like, this isn't working. And I was really scared because everything in my life was shit. I was out of shape, I was lonely, so I was single too. And I hated everything. I hated the environment I was in. I had huge dreams and ambitions, but I hadn't accomplished them yet. And I was dealing with lots of other personal issues. So one day I remember I just grabbed a notebook and I wrote down what my worst possible life could be. And then I also wrote down what my ideal life was like. And I invite you to do this exercise after you're done watching this video. Because probably like me, what you're going to realize is that your nightmare scenario, what some people call the anti-vision, meaning the worst possible thing that's gonna happen, or like the worst kind of daily life you're gonna have if you don't seriously take action, it's actually not that far from where you're at right now. So me, what I wrote down is, I was out of shape, lonely, depressed, single, and I was still living in the same place, in the shitty town I hate, that I grew up in, and I had a job. When I looked at it, what I wrote down on paper, the only difference is that in my nightmare scenario, I had a job, and in real life I didn't. And so that was like shocking for me to say the least, because I realized my nightmare scenario was so close to my actual life, I literally had nothing to lose. Like, nothing was preventing me from work as hard as I could, give it my everything, because my nightmare scenario was almost my life. So it's like, it couldn't really get much worse than that, could it? However, if I worked my ass off, I literally just had everything to gain. But the problem with human beings is that we're always either motivated by gaining pleasure or gaining a positive or avoiding pain. And for most of us, we're always going to be lazy and not do the thing until it becomes way too painful to stay where we are. I'm sure you've heard that quote before. Change only happens when the pain of staying the same is stronger than the pain of change. So it's only when I got sick and tired of my life that really I took massive action. And when I was 22 years old, because I took all that action for years, I started making thousands of dollars per day, like consistently, not just one time. I remember one time I made just under $4,300 in 48 hours, so 2 days, online. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.